Alright guys, just finished up with pulling the E320's canister, charcoal canister. I actually got a couple speakers. They're in pretty good condition. I'll show you guys that later. Right now I'm actually looking for my brother's car. It's a S430. They said they had a 430 here and a 500. Actually like 2000, between 2000 and 2004. So I'm on the hunt for that right now. And I seem to not, I really can't locate it. I would think it'd be in the same spot. So I'll keep going and keep searching. In the meantime, this is just, call it another testimony. You never give up. No matter what you do, you just keep pushing forward until you get to your goal or your destination. You know, life is tough, but you just gotta keep walking until you find what you're looking for. And even though what you're looking for might be there, you still have to work.